Happy Friday, everybody, and welcome to another Old Guy Hiking review. Today we're looking at a trail just outside of Richfield, Utah. It's got kind of a strange name, and it's a combination of two trails. It's a pretty good trail, so give it a try. The trail has a few rock formations that are kind of interesting, and it's kind of just a vast area to look at. It's mostly desert trail, so be prepared for that. It gets hot, and you're going to need a lot of water. There's no shade. One of the things I did enjoy were these junipers that are kind of all over in the upper elevations, and they really smell nice, and they got that nice funky, twisty trunk that they have. It's pretty cool. Most of the trail is pretty easy hiking, fairly level. The descent seems to have some issues. There's a few spots where it's pretty steep and has some loose gravel, so watch your footing. Trekking poles would be handy. And again, you can see from this bird's eye view that this is pretty much a desert trail. This trail was designed with mountain bikes in mind, so obviously hikers can use it as well, but that's just about it. Just hikers and mountain bikes are all that use it, so there's no ruts, and so it's in pretty good shape. In this clip you can see that you've got a little bit of elevation, but it's not all at once. It's pretty gradual. Lots of switchbacks, so it's not like it's straight uphill. And again, you can see the vastness of the area here on this bird's eye view. It's desert. The trail's in pretty good shape. There's not a lot of rocks or debris in the trail, so that's a good thing. You can see from this bird's eye view that it's a pretty clean trail. Coming up, you're going to see some of the interesting things that they've done for the mountain bikers. They have some NASCAR quality banked turns on these things. It's pretty wild. So there's quite a few of these, so it looks like a real fun trail. So you mountain bikers, get out there and give this one a try. This is a giant ant hill I run into, and the only thought I had when I saw these ants going crazy and working like this is, if you're like this in your life, you need to do more hiking. Okay, here we are at the end of the trail. You got to cross back over the creek. It's not running too much, even though it rained last night, and there's plenty of rocks, so you don't have to get your feet wet. Also coming up is a picture of the kiln that is the namesake for this trail. So read the plaque by the kiln. It's pretty cool. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you on our next trail. Thanks, folks.